Your iPhone gets calls, but it doesn't ring? Let's fix that right now. In this video, I'll show you the exact settings that stop your iPhone from ringing and how to fix them in minutes. So if your friends or family are calling you but your phone stays silent, just follow these steps with me. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your iPhone. Turn airplane mode on. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back off. This reconnects your iPhone to your mobile signal. You also want to make sure you have at least one signal bar at the top. If your phone still doesn't ring, this next setting is the one most people miss. Go into Settings, then tap Sounds and Haptics. Now turn the ringtone volume all the way up so you can actually hear incoming calls. And right below that, make sure your ringtone is not set to none. Now, let's check another important setting. Go back into Settings, tap Phone. If this is set incorrectly, your iPhone may stay silent. Set it to Always so your iPhone announces incoming calls properly. Then tap Announce Calls. If it still doesn't ring, there's one more thing you absolutely need to check. Make sure Do Not Disturb or any focus mode is turned off. Because if focus mode is active, your calls can stay completely silent. And after going through these steps, your iPhone should start ringing normally again. If this video helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick iPhone fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.